Debugging is amazing tool that makes your editing more faster and addictive. Today we will learn how to use the styling tab in Brevidy to create unique animated captions. Brevidy plugin, key features and benefits. AI powered editing, a smart suggestion to speed up workflows, media organization, efficient file management for easy access, real-time collaboration, work seamlessly with teams, cloud integration, edit for anywhere with cloud support, custom template and preset. Save time on repetitive tasks, multi-format support, compatible with various file types, user-friendly interface, easy to use for both beginner and pros. Brevidy boosts productivity, enhance creativity, and simplifies video editing. We'll go to the Brevidy plugin website and download the plugin from there. Once it's downloaded, you will use GPX installer to install the Brevidy plugin. Just drag the Brevidy file into the middle of GPX installer, then click to install. After the installation is done, we will open Adobe Premiere Pro. In the timeline, we'll select in part of the video. To do that, press O on the keyboard. It will select the full video. Now go to the Window tab and open the Brevidy plugin. You will see two cool options, AutoCut and Caption. Since today we are talking about caption, click on Caption. Inside Caption, you will see Caption Style and Transcription. If you go into the Caption Style, you will find many cool caption animation. You can click next to view more. All of them are really attractive. If you go to the default, you can use the default animation style. Pick the one you like. I like this animation style, so I save it. If you now go to the saved section, you will see it there. In short by, you will find popular and new animation. Click on new to see new caption style. Or check popular for trending ons. I selected a caption and then went to transcription. If your model option appears, you will see two choices, fast and accurate. I choose accurate, so the caption matches the voice properly. Now you will see auto detect language. It will auto generate caption in the language you speak. Or you can turn it off or choose your language manually. There are many options like Latin, Korean and etc. I think this is a very helpful tool for creating caption in our own language. I'll choose English because I am speaking in English in this video. Now click on create. You will see the caption generating. The faster your internet and the shorter your video, the faster it will process. Now the subtitles are showing. If I play the video, you will see the animated caption. Brevidy plugin, key features and benefits. AI powered editing, a smart suggestion to speed up workflows, media organization, efficient file management for easy access, real time. You can fully customize the animation. Go to the style, then preset. Choose any one. If I turn on this one, you will see a different caption animation appear. Time collaboration, work seamlessly with teams, cloud integration, edit for anywhere with cloud support. From here you can change the font. You will find many customized options. If I go to the position, I can place it at the top, middle or bottom. I choose middle and it moves there. I can also place it on the top and look the text style. You can also increase or decrease the scale size. If you want to rotate it caption, go to random rotation, enable it and you will see it rotating. You can increase the rotation value to spin it more. Now I am turning the rotation up. I like it better without rotation. Then go to the background. You can change the background color of the text. I set it to yellow. You can also control up the opacity. To make it more visible, you will find a roundness option to adjust the background shape. If you want to turn off the background, just switch it off. Time on repetitive tasks, multi-format support, compatible with various files. But I think it looks better with background, so I turned it back on. You can also change the text color, pick the one you like. Try red, blue and other colors. I keep it in the original color. There's also an option to increase or decrease the text stroke. Next, there's a nice feature called drop shadow. You can turn it on or off, then go to the active text. Here you can change the text color again, red, blue or yellow. Choose what you like. If I turn off the word background, the background behind the highlighted words will disappear. You will also see options like opacity, roundness and more. Try them out. Now I will change the caption style again. I'll go to the preset and choose another one. If I play the video again, you will see a different text animation. Works seamlessly with Teams, cloud integration, edit for anywhere with cloud support, custom template, and I'll try a few more style. I'll click the next to check more style. I'll change the font of this style to make it look more attractive. Preset. Save time on repetitive tasks, multi-format support. You should try different fonts and pick the one that looks best to you. Compatible with various file types. User-friendly interface, easy to use for both beginner and pros. Brevidy boost productivity, enhance creatively, edit for anywhere with cloud support, custom template and preset. Save time on repetitive tasks, multi-format support, compatible with various file types. User-friendly interface, easy to use for both beginner and pros. Brevidy boost productivity, enhance creatively, and simplifies video editing. You can download the Brevidy plugin from their website. It's a fantastic plugin that makes your editing faster and more attractive. You can also try the 7-day free trial to test out its feature.